Hi everyone, my name is Jordyn. I am a current senior in college. I am a neuroscience major and I'm also on the pre-med track. And I wanted to show you my favorite planner and a few of my favorite tips that helped me get through college. So first, if you don't have an iPad, I definitely recommend getting one. And I also recommend getting one that comes with this pencil, as it makes using the iPad a lot easier, especially for different academic things. So once you do have an iPad, go ahead and download that app. It's called Notability, and that's also where I have my favorite planner downloaded. So on Notability, as you can see, this is back in January 2020. Immediately you'll see kind of like your monthly calendar. In there, as like I added return to school, my eye exam, any squash matches that I had. And this is like an awesome layout for me because I can write and be able to see everything. So as you can see, my classes started in late January. And then it also helps me get organized because there's a main focus. As you can see, get organized for classes and practice squash. And then you can also like physically write down any winning intentions and plans, any health and self-care goals. So for me, I really appreciate yoga, meditation, and sometimes I need an extra reminder to drink some water. So there's my monthly calendar that's displayed at the beginning. And then followed by that, there is a weekly calendar. So you can write out any weekly goals, any weekly winning intentions and plans. For my self-care, I want my morning ritual to be yoga and my evening ritual to be meditation. That's for this week at least. And then I love this little reminder to reach out and connect to people because I do have to send a few thank you cards, and this is a great reminder too. And then as you can see, anything that I do have, I can just write out right here. So eye exam, grocery shopping, anything like that can just go on my weekly calendar. During the school year, I also do like to put if I have any assignments due or any exams that might be taking place on those days. Then followed up by that, there is a daily calendar. So here you can see January 1st, 2020. And then here's January 2nd. So as you can see, again, one of my winning intentions and plans was to drink lots of water. And then for the daily calendar, I especially love it because it does remind you of your winning intentions and plans. And then also it has this daily breakdown of hours. So as you can see, it starts at 6 a.m. and ends at 11. So there's a lot of time or a lot of help for you to visually chunk out time. As you can see, I had an eye exam, so I was able to physically put that in. And you can highlight, which is an awesome tool that I like to use. And then you can also, like, as you can see here, I had to send my thank you cards, email professors. So any reminders that of things that I had to do during the day are right there as well. So it's super organized. You can move anything around. You can change the style. It's really like if I had to change the timing of this, I could totally move it around. So it's really helpful in just getting organized and being able to visually see your calendar. Another part that I love about this planner is that it actually helps me meal plan. So this is something that I could definitely practice with a lot more. But as you can see, there's a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack plan for every day of the week for the same first week of January that I was working with. Another thing that I really love about this planner is that it actually has these active hyperlinks at the top. So directly from my meal plan, I can actually click on this hyperlink and it'll bring me directly to my grocery list. So as you can see, that week for my meal plan, I had to buy strawberries, apples, spinach. So it actually organizes it for me, which is really helpful. So we have veggies and fruits, dairy and cheese, spices, seeds and oils, meats, poultry and fish, bread and cereals, and then other. So one really helpful thing for me is that because Notability is synced to my phone, I can directly see all of these things while I'm grocery shopping. That way I don't forget anything. I definitely recommend getting this planner. If you're interested and you don't have an iPad, I definitely recommend purchasing an iPad. It is quite the investment, but it's worth the money. And then following, I recommend that you buy this planner because it has helped me so much throughout my education and just staying organized in general. So definitely get an iPad, get the smart pencil, and definitely download this planner. Thank you!